Right, I've decided to do a review of this garden sprinkler because I'm quite impressed with it and I haven't even used it yet. This is how it came. It came from Homebase and it came on this card. It hangs up on this card with some tie wraps. So I'm afraid you've missed the unboxing because I haven't got the tie wrap. I still can't believe there are things such as unboxing videos. I mean, see somebody, look, you could have actually seen me snip those tie wraps and take that off, but I'm afraid you've missed it, so that's your evening's entertainment gone. Right, you also get a little handbook with it, which is a basic instruction sheet, but it's Chinese, made in China, but it's impressive because I've had a look around and I wanted one of these, what they call rectangular sprinklers. They're for rectangular lawns, and you get the cheap ones with the bar, the stainless steel bar and all that, but this is adjustable and it was 16 quid this is June 2020 and it's 16 quid. Now I've seen these, I've had a look, and these are German ones, about 40 quid. They're fully adjustable, and they're adjustable in that, I'll just turn it around because it's easier. We've got this row of nozzles basically, and then you've got these extra ones at the end. Now where they line up, that's because I've turned this. If I turn this, you'll see. There's one nozzle extra, 2, 3, 4, and that's going to fan out to a big area. And the same that end. And I've only got a tiny lawn, so I want to turn that right down, and we'll try it and see what happens, because I don't know how wide that is. So that's the first thing that impressed me. You also get this little thing at the end here. I wondered what that was, but apparently you pull it out. It's got a little pin in it, and the pin is for unblocking the, if they get blocked. So that's a handy little thing to have. Can't get it back in. There you go. And then you've got these adjusters here for adjusting the swing. Now the first thing I have noticed is that if I try and pull this up, when it gets to where it is now, there's a bit of a click, and I don't like that because I've got mechanical sympathy and I can feel something, and I don't like feeling something. So what I'm going to do is, as a precautionary thing, I'm going to put some water through it and stop it when it's in the upright position before I adjust them, so I won't be adjusting it, if you know what I mean, so I won't be adjusting it through the travel of the thing. So get that in the upright position. Oh, it moves anyway. Well, there you go. That's better. Oh, I didn't realise it moved. So I've just discovered that. You move it by hand. Okay, so move it there, and you don't have to, and then that'll move to there and then go back again. So move that, and it'll just go that bit, I think. So we'll play with that. But this is for a small lawn. I put there small lawn. Now the thing I'm replacing is this hose lock. Now bless Hose Lock, they're good products and they're well made, but I'm afraid you're being overtaken a bit. And this, I notice, has got different sized holes. But the trouble is, I'll demonstrate this. The problem with this is that it sprays in rings, and you get dry bits in between the rings. And it also doesn't water very well close to itself, so there'll be a patch around it, it'll be completely dry. And I don't know if that's because I'm using it at low pressure because I've got a small lawn. It might be better on a big lawn, but try it, come and fetch this one, you can have this one because it's redundant now, hopefully. So let's try them, let's go outside and try them.
And here we are outside, look, and you can see the wet ring and the dry ring. And you can see the thing twiddling round, look, all on its own, bless its heart. And I have to use it twice. My lawn is only 6 feet wide, but that's my problem. I just couldn't afford a bigger house, clearly. So I don't know what I'm bleating about, really.
Well, it's working, but there's a problem. Problem is it gets to that side and it stops unless I touch it. As soon as I touch it, it works. So it's a bit sensitive just there.
It just needed a tickle to get it going. I'm like that some mornings. Look at this. Doesn't this remind you of the fountain outside the front of a Las Vegas hotel? No, nor me neither.
Oh well, what's cured it? Whoa. It seems that this one needs to be just that way a bit. Oh, hang on, it's coming back. Get wet. Whee. Yeah, that looks like that's working.
And here I'm using it for the vegetable garden, which again is very small, but I'm only using it one side, so it's set in the upright position, it's set to stop in the upright position I should say, and then it just sweeps one side across the vegetables. Needs tidying, I'll tell the missus. But there you go. And I was hoping it would do that, and that's an added bonus for us anyway.
So, in conclusion, just to make it clear, the problem was that when it came all the way over this way, to the left as you're looking at it there, to this one, there's a bit of play in that, and when it was like that, it would stop there and it wouldn't go back, and all I did was touch it gently like that, and then it went back. But that's quite free. So you could say it's faulty, but to be honest, for 16 quid and the hassle of taking it back and prattling around and then getting another one, I'll just use a bit of blue tack. I don't like complaining anyway, and so we'll just use it and carry on. But that's brilliant, you'll even do the vegetable patch. So you could say that my lawn's so small I wouldn't bother, but there you go. Oh dear.